Start by visiting Spyrix.com. Choose the Spyrix Personal Monitor section and click on Free Download. Check your antivirus settings. Temporarily disable antivirus protection during the installation of the program. Double-click the downloaded installer to begin. If prompted by Windows, click Yes to allow the installation. Click on the downloaded installation file. Select your language and click OK. Enter the email address that you'll use to sign into your online account. Create a strong password. Do not share it with third parties. Read and accept the license agreement, then click Next. Click the Install button. The installation process will only take a few moments. In the window that appears, check the box to go directly to your online account. Click Finish. Log in using your online account details. Installation completed successfully. Spyrix is now running in the background, securely keeping your activity logs. Thank you for choosing Spyrix.